Imagine a copy and paste entire timeline that's totally customizable with transitions, sound effects, overlays, customable animations, text effects, every single thing already laid out for you. All you have to do is put in your A and B roll, done. That is it. This is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. You can either recreate it and do the exact same thing I've done, or you can just cop this and get it from me so you don't have to do it. And I want you to commit to watch this entire video. At the end, I will give you an incredible gift that you will not want to miss. And if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Editing Torsten. I sell digital assets for video editors and content creators to upgrade their workflow so they can have more time with clients and making money instead of wasting it all on useless animations. So if you're like me, I would definitely go check that out because it upgraded me and multiple other people's workflow. But if you're not interested in that, let's get right onto this video. All right, so this is exactly it right here. You can tell that here's one entire timeline. All you have to do is go over here, highlight whatever one. They're eachly color selected. So you can see how there's a blue, green. There's a total of 5 of them right now. But if you guys really like this, I will make a whole 30 days worth of these. All you have to do, a whole month's worth of drag and drop entire timelines. You can be done in less than 5 minutes. You'll get lifetime updates. So even if I update more than 30, you'll get it right away. You don't have to upgrade or do anything about it. So all you do is you copy this. And if you run in 4K, there is a 4K thing. All you do is go up to here, you go to the effects control panel and you copy and paste this motion, this right here, preset to all of these on your timeline if you're running in 4K. Otherwise, it works perfectly for 1080p by 1920. I want to pick out of all these, I'm going to pick this first one. So let's just highlight every single one of it, then go over to your sequence, copy and paste, just like that. And let's drag these down just a little bit. And then let's drag my clips in, boom, look at that. And now watch. Totally customizable. You can see right here. So each of them are labeled. So I can see here that it says zoom out. You put your PNG and text right here, whatever you're saying or whatever you want to do. And then you go over here. This says do your own captions. Just put in your own captions or any text that you'd want. And then nice sound effects the entire way, as you can hear. Total sound effect all the way. It works perfectly for 15 seconds, but I have a 20-second clip that we can easily just take off of other ones. So let's go to, I can grab off of one of these. See, I like this part. So let's just take this. Let's highlight these so I can get all these sound effects with it. Go over to sequence and just drag it right on. See, so now let's just double click in here. You can go into this text, put whatever you want. How do I stay shredded by sitting all day? It's so easy, man. So then you can just customize this PNG. Let's go right here and let's say I wanted to have, let's just go over here, scale it so it gets bigger. How do I stay shredded by sitting all day video editing? And then let's just do my captions really quick. How do I stay shredded by sitting all day? So yeah, basically you just fill out every single one of these that I have planned out for you. Just zoom in and look at it. It says do your own captions here. There's a zoom right here. You can put B-roll anywhere on these. I have specific spots for B-roll. So if you go into it, you can zoom in and it'll say B-roll here for 3 seconds. So you put it above the B-roll or where the B-roll is, and then it'll come in and you do all your stuff. And once you're done, it should look like this. How do I stay shredded by sitting all day video editing? And I always think that's kind of funny because to me, it all comes down to one simple thing. And most people always overlook this and never commit to it. It's such an obvious answer because you see it every day, and it's food. If you eat like crap, then you're going to feel and look like crap. Same goes with the opposite. If you eat healthy, you're gonna look and feel healthy. If you look down in the link in the description, you will find exactly where to get it and a little gift right next to it to help you decide whether or not you want it or not. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.